welcome to our video series, Learn Rhino 3D in 11 Simple Ring Band Projects. In this video, I'll take you through opening Rhino for the first time. When we open the program, we'll be presented with the standard templates Rhino provides. For creating jewelry, the new model option, or under our standard templates list if we scroll down, small objects millimeters is sufficient. Let's double-click to select it. When we first open Rhino, we'll be presented with the 4 standard views of Rhino's 3D space: top, perspective, front, and right. We'll learn more about these in later videos. Any action performed in Rhino is known as a command, and there's 3 different ways to access and perform them. Let's investigate this as we create a box. The left menu provides toolbar groups where you can access the active tool palettes and any applicable flyout menus as well. Let's navigate to the box icon and choose Box Corner to Corner Height, and I'll draw it on the work plane. Commands can also be performed by typing. As you type, the command line will populate with any command related to the letters being typed out. As I start to type in box, we'll see the box command appear. I'll press Enter to select it, and I can create my box again. Commands can also be accessed by navigating the top drop-down menus. I'll go to the solid menu, select box, and I can draw my box one last time on the work plane. We can also access our command history by navigating to the lower left-hand corner and bringing up the command history flyout menu. As you can see, we've created 3 boxes on the work plane. Simply click off to deselect it. The panels at the right sidebar are known as the inspector panels. They provide additional types of information on layers, notes, viewports, and more. For example, if we select a box, we can see the information about the object appear. Panels can also be shown or hidden by right-clicking on the menu bar and choosing which you want to appear. For example, we'll navigate to the menu bar, we'll deselect layers, and now our layers panel has disappeared. We can simply right-click and reselect it, and now we've added the layers back again. That's it for this video. Stay tuned to learn how to set up your project.